We know how therapeutic music is in the best of times. Well, during these challenging times, we thought that it would be nice to give something back to the community. So we at Homeschool Piano were giving free access to our core piano and level 1 lessons until September 1st. It's a great opportunity to learn some songs, learn how to improvise, ear training, rhythm, and it's completely free of charge. As a parent with children who are out of school right now, I know that I'm trying to fill their time with something that's educational and engaging. So this is a great way for them to be able to, continue their studies and learn something new. So if you're interested, just go ahead and click the link below this video or follow the link that you see on your screen. Let's take a moment right now and go through what it is that you'll see inside of Homeschool Piano. So the very first thing I want to draw your attention to is on the right side here is this core piano course. If you click on this begin course, right, it's going to take you to the core piano page and you can see the whole course there. This is the best place to start if you're brand new to the piano. So if you've never played the piano before, this is where I would start. All right. On each course, you'll see that you'll have the button here to download the music. So just go ahead and click and download the music. You're good to go. Okay, you can just take that music and start working on that. All right, so the next thing is you have these 3 different levels down here. Now, depending on your membership level, you may see a button like this that says Upgrade to View. That basically means that you don't have access to level 3. You would have to upgrade your membership. You can just click on that button there and see the different upgrade options. So here in my test account, I have level 1 and level 2. And what's great is you could see how much you've completed on each of the different units. Remember, there are 3 levels in Homeschool Piano, each with 6 units, so 18 units in total. Within each of those units, there are 7 lessons. All right, so if I go to level 1, unit 1, you'll see that I've already finished it, and I've gone through it, and I've finished all of the lessons. I've even done the quiz as well, and then I can download my certificate, and this is what the certificate looks like. Okay, so you can see I have my certificate, tells me when I finished and what I got for a score. The quiz, you can see, is very simple, and you have 10 minutes to complete the quiz, right? So you just click on Start Quiz and then press play. Okay, and then which one did you hear? Well, you'll have to figure that one out. I don't want to give it away for you. All right, so within each of the lessons, let me show you this. So if I go to, say, Unit 2, I haven't done any of Unit 2 yet. So I'm going to go to Unit 2. I'm going to go to Technique first, okay? And I'm going to watch the video, okay? And then once I'm done, then I can click Mark Complete. And it's automatically going to take me to the next lesson in this unit. So the beauty here is that it's very easy to see what comes next. You're on technique, then you go to rhythm, then reading music, and so on. And then this is also a quick way of getting to any of the level 1 units. If you need the sheet music on any of the lessons, you can go ahead and download the sheet music right there. Right? So, and then you see all of your certificates as well. So if I just mark this complete, you see it's going to take me right on over to rhythm in just a second. And there we go, rhythm, and now you can see that technique is complete. If I click on course home, it's going to take me right back to that level 1, and now I can see once again that one is complete, 14% complete, and it tells me when I last viewed that lesson. So now if I go back to my dashboard, at the very bottom of the page, there's a very useful button here that says Resume Last Lesson. If I click on that Resume Last Lesson button, what it's going to do is it's going to take me right back to this last unit that I was working on. Okay, so it's a great way of being able to get right back to where you ended off. So that's just a basic overview of how to use the site. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and all the best to you and all of your loved ones. See you soon.